Hey, how you doing? Justin here, and welcome to lesson 3 of my beginner guitar course. I really hope your fingers aren't hurting too bad. It's kind of likely that they still are a bit. It's kind of the next few weeks that you'll probably find that the pain starts to lessen a bit. It's generally, for most people, a few months worth of practice before the pain goes away completely, but hopefully you'll start getting more obsessed with your chord changes and your strumming, and you'll forget about the finger pain quite so much. And that's kind of the focus of this particular lesson. We've got 2 new chords to learn, so we're going to learn how to play A minor and E minor, very, very important chords. We'll talk a bit about minor chords and what they are as well. We're also going to be spending quite a lot of time focused on rhythm in this lesson, okay? Learning solid rhythm guitar and learning how to strum properly is a really big deal. And if you can strum well and play in time, people will like the sound of what you're doing. Okay, strumming's the kind of thing that's been with our species for thousands of years, whereas our musical harmony is only hundreds of years old. So people really notice if rhythm goes wonky, much more so than if you play a chord slightly wrong. Okay, if the rhythm goes wrong, people kind of feel it, whereas if you play a wrong chord, they have to hear it. That's less likely they're going to be bothered by that. So learning to really develop your rhythm strongly and really understanding how it's working, I think, can be a pretty powerful thing. Another thing on the agenda for today is to have a look at capos or capos. They're a really useful beginner tool that'll allow you to play along with original recordings of songs that you really dig, and they're also useful for changing the keys of songs. If you want to sing along, if your song's too low for you, then it enables you to kind of lift the key so that it'll fit the range of your voice a little bit better. We'll talk a bit more about that later on, but let's start off with a look at minor chords.